How to add Amazon Prime to your smart television. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go in, install and open Amazon Prime on your television. Now I'll be demonstrating this on an LG TV, but this should also work on other models as well, such as Samsung and Sony. Now all we need to do is first head over to the home screen on your television. Now typically you're going to have a home button on your remote control, and you can go and press that to head over to the home screen. Now this may differ slightly depending on your model of television, but essentially what you want to do from this home screen is go and look for an app called Apps. So if I scroll across on the right hand side, mine's literally called Apps and I can go and open it from here. But on your television, it could be called something like the App Store or the Samsung Store. So you'll just need to go and look for this Apps page. Now from here, we can go and use the search box at the very top, and we're just going to search for the word Prime. Now from this window, you should be able to see Amazon Prime in the list. Simply go in, click on it like so. You'll then be taken to this page here where we have the option to press install. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on install like so. And then once this is finished installing, you can head back over to your home screen and you should be able to see Amazon Prime from the list of applications, and you can go and open it directly from this window here.